What's up guys, Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be going over the install of our brake master cylinder cap on the GR86. Okay, first thing you want to do, make sure the cap is actually on the master cylinder reservoir pretty snug. You're going to take your cap, make sure the logo is in whatever orientation you want. Obviously we prefer it with the logo going this way. What I like to do is set it on the cap itself. There are splines cut out inside of the cap, and they will line up with the splines or the ribs that are on the OEM cap. Set it on there, remove the cap by twisting it, pull them both off at the same time, and then you're simply going to snap the cap into the cap cover, making sure that it snaps all the way in. Then when you go to put it back on the car, that's it. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the brake master cylinder cap install. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to email us at sales@verus-engineering.com. Until next time, we'll see you later.